So I just got my first Milwaukee tools, the M12 Ratchet. So let me unbox it, see how this goes. Alright. What we got here? Got this to start doing some work on my Hemi. I got this cheap on the Walmart website. What they got them for, like 78 bucks, 76 bucks or something like that now. I see that these things get expensive, but I think it's like the first generation or something. I don't even know, but it was 76 bucks on the Walmart website. It came with the battery. Actually, no, I lied. This is the tool only. But the stuff that I got coming on the way, it has the battery with it. And I'm going to do a video of that when it gets here. I got the Gen 1 impact driver and drill or something like that. So, yeah, I got this on the Walmart website for 76 bucks. Just the tool only, obviously, no battery. And we're going to see how it goes. See you guys later.